Howdy, everyone. Hey, we're at the Rone Residences in Houston, Texas. The Rone Residences in Houston, Texas. And we are looking at this is a model. I can't wait for you to see it. I want you to see the hallway. It's really pretty. This is a very recently completed building. It's gorgeous, really pretty carpet, by the way. I really like the light walls. And we're about to do a detailed walkthrough. This is just a gorgeous, it's A5. It's a really large one bedroom. So I can't wait for you to see it. Let's walk in. So this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. Wow, this is a gorgeous feel in here. Really light, engineered floors. Looks beautiful, vinyl luxury. It's got this half bath that's here. This is super nice. Ooh, really big half bath. Really like the feel here. It's got a beautiful mudroom. The mudroom is gorgeous. And then just this gorgeous, wow, kitchen. It's just stunning. It's a stunner, really, really is. I love the built-in desk that's here, and that built-in bar too is just gorgeous. Oh gosh, look at these fantastic views you have too. This is an amazing patio. We're gonna get some views out there and take a look, can't wait. But just look at how pretty this is. This is just a beautiful feel in here. A lot of space to entertain. Be a really nice residence for you. Here's a really pretty island that's here too, just gorgeous with the wine fridge and everything. Really pretty feel in here. It's that French 3-door fridge with gas, cooking with gas. Really pretty backsplash. Look at the exhaust. Oh, just simply gorgeous. This is a really nice space, a lot of space in here to entertain and relax too. Very, very pleasing residence. Hey, this is part one. Let's go do a part two actually outside, and we'll take a look at this balcony. This really deserves some good attention. If you are ready for a tour or even a FaceTime tour with to see more of the Rone Residences, send me a text. Just use that number below. I'll set that tour up for free.